This is the this is the first of a series of 3 video lectures concerning the use of activities in Awesome. Um, this lecture will focus on the use of the most simplest form of the activity, the regular activity. You'll find the activity symbol down here in the lower right-hand corner. I'm going to put up a couple of Goon nodes just to put activities in between them to illustrate how you can specify activities. So if we have an activity that takes time and there's no other information associated with it or no other constraints, we click on the activity cursor button and the cursor switches to the activity cursor. Move it into the start node of the activity and click once. That will anchor the activity to that start node. If you want to just directly go to the second node, move it there and click it, or if you want to change the shape of the activity, you can just click along the way, and then when you're done, click on the end node for the activity. Okay. After that, this menu will come up at the bottom. You can give the activity a number. On regular activities, if you give them a number, then information about the use of that activity will show up in the summary report. If you leave it blank, you don't get any information. Duration is where we can put the duration of the activity, can be, say, 5 time units, a fixed amount of time, or I can draw a sample from a probability distribution. So first I click the function key, look at random functions, and find the distribution I want. So if I want to use a simple distribution like the exponential, click on exponential, enter its mean, say it's 5 as well. Random number streams we'll cover later in the report, so for now, in all cases, leave that blank. Click OK, and it's added down here to the duration specification. There's no condition. End node labels can be used, but for the most part, if you connect the activity from the start node to the end node, then you won't have to specify the end node. Number of servers only refers to service activities, so we'll get to that a little bit later. And an identifier is just for the report. You can say this is move to uh, processing or something like that, and that'll be included in the summary report. Click OK, and all of the information is added to the screen. So that's basically the use of regular activities. If you want to edit any of the parameters of the activity, just put your cursor anywhere on the activity and double click, and you get the information at the bottom again. We can change this to, say, a fixed time of 5.0 instead of exponential. Click OK, and the modification is made. Don't forget to save your networks as you build them and before you close the network editor. Okay, the next video lecture will be concerned with probabilistic activities and conditional activities, and followed by the third lecture on service activities.